Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to customize Fibonacci retracement tool inside TradingView.com in few simple steps. So if this is something that excites you, kindly stick around, because at the end of the video I'm going to show you how you can use it on your advantage to win your trades. And without further ado, let us begin. So guys, what you need to do is hover on your favorite tools and select Fibonacci retracement tool. Once you add it on your TradingView.com, you will see it's having so many levels that are hectic for you to even understand. Sorry, let me add it. After adding it, you can see our tool is having so many positions or levels that are very hard for you to even grasp them. So what you need to do is right click your mouse and come to settings. Once on this window, just click and untick the levels that you are not interested with. Like in this case, we are not interested with -2, we are not interested in 0.382, and mark 2.61. And as we do so, you can see on this side the levels are being removed. Then we can remove 4.236, remove 1.4, 2.4, 3, 3.4 and 4.6. Also you can remove this level 4.7 and 4.4. Do you have any other level that we don't need it? Yeah, 2.2, this one we don't need this level. We also don't need this level. We also don't need this level. Yeah, we are left with we need level 0. Where is level 0? Level 0, we need level 0. 0, 0, 0. You can adjust this to 0. Yeah, we need level 0. So after doing so, you can see we've been left with the only levels we're interested with, that is 0, 0.5, 0.618 and 1. Also we can go back to settings and remove these colors. Scroll down to where it's written background and uncheck that one. Once you've unchecked and clicked OK, you can see the background has been removed. Now you can use your Fibonacci the way it is, or if you need to customize it further, you can right click and come to settings, and you can change the colors of each level. Like at level 0, we can see the color is it orange or purple. Guys, I'm colorblind, so once you click this one, you can come and choose the color you're interested in, that is at that level. Then you do so to the remaining levels. At level 0.68, if you don't want this color blue, you can choose yellow, blue, green, or maroon, purple. Then click OK, and you can see all the colors have been changed. And now guys, your Fibonacci tool is ready to be used. On our next video, I'm going to show you how you can use this Fibonacci as a standalone to win big trades. And so if that's something you're interested in, kindly subscribe and like this video so that YouTube can suggest it to so many people, because I'm doing this for free. Guys, please don't leave this video without liking and subscribing. Thank you and bye.